Hey yo, NY stand up, man.
Queen, get the money, dollar bill, yo.
I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side.
And it's been about 25 years since we have seen this sneaker, and a lot of people are hype about it. And I just been on the fence, just trying to think and decide how this sneaker was gonna do as far as like selling out, reselling, all those great things. But hey, let's talk about it.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll get them.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? What is popping? Today we're gonna be talking about the sneaker that you see on the screen, which is gonna be the Wu-Tang Dunks, man. This shoe will be releasing this Saturday with the retail price point of $150. Now, before we get off into discussing this sneaker, how we think it's gonna do, all those great things, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Please remember that the goal this year is 25,000 subscribers. We are at 17, almost at 18. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Now, with that being said, the Wu-Tang Dunks is an iconic sneaker, and for a lot of people, this is their sneaker grail. This is one of those sneakers that Nike has kind of like teased us with over the last 10 years that they was gonna bring back, and they didn't. They brought back some Dunks that resembled them, but they didn't have the Wu-Tang logo and stuff like that on it, and the price for the Wu-Tang Dunks was just crazy. Nobody wanted to pay that resale for them unless they really wanted them. Now that Nike's actually gonna be giving us this sneaker as a general release, has led us to today to think, how is this sneaker actually gonna do as far as the initial drop? Because this year has been a year of sneakers dropping and not doing very well when it comes to reselling and when it comes to sitting around, which is a good thing for people that actually want the sneaker. This sneaker is going to be dressed up in a predominantly yellow and black upper. You got the Wu-Tang logo on the sidebar, you got the Wu-Tang logo on the tongue, and it seems like the materials are pretty good on these things, but honestly the yellows are a little bit different than the actual yellow that we seen on the original pair, which is kind of throwing a lot of people off. But it's one of those things, I don't know if you really can tell unless you have the original and the new one next to each other, or if it's gonna be a dramatic color change. But if you guys have actually seen it in hand early, you guys let me know what your thoughts and opinions on that. Now, as far as the sneaker selling out, I think this sneaker is gonna sell out. A lot of the raffles and stuff are going on. I don't know the stock number just yet, and I do know Finish Line and JD Sport did not do EA for these things, but you have Mama Near and a bunch of flagship stores that did the Run Fair raffles already. They're live right now, so you might want to go ahead and enter those. But I think that these sneakers will sell out. It won't be one of those things that's gonna restock. I think this is just gonna be like that quick strike, one and done type thing. I don't see them restocking these. So if you don't hit on these sneakers by this Saturday, if you don't hit on these sneakers, it's gonna be the whole resale game. It's gonna be paying the aftermarket price. But I do think that the aftermarket price is gonna be pretty affordable, a lot more affordable than the original release. I'm gonna say probably max $275 shipped to you is what you're gonna pay for these things, and that's in the bigger sizes. I don't see this sneaker going over $300, to be honest with you. Like I said, it will sell out, but I don't think it's gonna go past that $300 mark unless you're in like a size 14 or something like that when it comes to the resale. Now, about 4 or 5 days ago, I was looking at the resale of these things, and they was looking pretty high, man. It was like $350, $375. But today, as you can see on the screen, they're sitting right around $185 in general. But the bigger sizes are maintaining value, like, you know, your size 11s, 282, 11.5, 284, 12, 274, so on and so forth. So, of course, those bigger sizes are going to maintain some value. And at $150, it seems like you're going to be able to make some money off of this sneaker. Now, we did have a release today on Wu-Tang's website, which was a unique raffle. I've never seen any release like that. Like, it was just showing like the stock numbers as they were selling and stuff like that. During the raffle, I was watching Raffy's live, and I noticed that a lot of people were saying in his chat that orders were being canceled. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if you got lucky and hit on that website today. Did the order get canceled? What was the shipping price and stuff like that? Because, you know, most of those sites, they charge like $15 shipping, so you end up paying extra. So a lot of people take their chances and wait for the sneakers app release. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what you think. What is your thoughts and opinions about this sneaker? For me, this is gonna be a pass. I don't need this in my collection. If I do go for for it's gonna be just for either, hey, I'm gonna be honest with you, resale purposes, or if somebody else wants this sneaker and they want me to try for them, that'll be my only thing that I would probably do to go after them, or maybe just to do a review. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions about this sneaker. As I said, I know for a lot of people this is their grail, this is an iconic sneaker and a must-have to add into their collection. So y'all let me know down below. But y'all know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my fate. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two,